Introduce features interest for Syvio Blenders for kitchen. Smoothie Blender 1450 watt with 4 presets and 68 ounces Tritan Container. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Explore all the amazing recipe you can make. With variable stepless speed control and 4 preset programs, you're in complete control to create every course of your home-cooked meal like ice crush, frozen desserts, smoothies, nut butters in minutes. Syvio Blender offers you enough power and precise textures to meet any recipe request. Built to lasting quality results, hardened and heavy-duty 3-layer stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients. Top metal drive system allows a longer lifespan. Those durable designs helping you buy dependable, not disposable. Power for better flavor. Have all the power you need to pulverize ingredients, releasing flavors and mixing them together to create better tasting blends with robust 30,000 RMP, 2.25 HP motor. Built-in LED timer helps you monitor blends time to avoid over-processing. High mode works with all variable speeds and smart programs for staggered blending. Healthy made and easy to clean. This blender comes to supporting your healthy lifestyle and fit your daily nutritional needs in a simple, easy way. All materials connected the foods are BPA-free and LFGB approved. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, self-cleaning finished in 30 to 60 seconds. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.